Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. In previous video, we have seen first two examples from practice set 10. Now let us see third example. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. So here we have to find prime numbers from 25 to 100. Prime numbers means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. That is called prime number. Now we have to find prime numbers from 25 to 100. See, 25 is not a prime number because 25 is divisible by 5, 25. So more than two numbers, which is not divisible by 1 and itself. So next 26 is also not a prime number. Next 27, 28 are not prime numbers. Now we can take 29. 30 is not prime number. 31 is prime number. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 are not prime numbers. 37, 38, 39 are not prime numbers. 41 is a prime number because 41 is divisible by 1 and itself, that is 41. 42 is not a prime number. 43 is a prime number. 43 is divisible by 1 and itself, therefore 43 is prime number. Next 44, 45, 46 are not prime numbers. 47 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 47. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 are not prime numbers. 53 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 53 only. Next 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 are not prime numbers. Now 59 is a prime number because 59 is divisible by 1 and 59. Next 60 is not a prime number. 61 is a prime number. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 are not prime numbers. So we can't take. Now see, 67 is a prime number because 67 is divisible by 1 and 67 only. Now 68, 69, 70 are not prime numbers. You can check, you can verify. Now see, 71 is a prime number which is divisible by 1 and 71 only. 72 is not a prime number, so we can't take. 73 is a prime number. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 are not prime numbers. Now we can take 79. 79 is a prime number. Next 80, 81, 82 are not prime numbers. 83 is a prime number which is divisible by 1 and 83. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88 are not prime numbers. So we can take. 89 is a prime number which is divisible by 1 and 89 only. Now 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 90, still 96. These numbers are not prime numbers, so we can't write. Now 97. 97 is a prime number which is divisible by 1 and 97 only. See, 98, 99 and 100 are not prime numbers. These numbers are prime numbers because these numbers are divided by 1 and itself number only. Now let us see, or we have to find how many they are. So we have to count total numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total numbers or total prime numbers from 25 to 100, that is 16. Now next example, write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. So here we have to write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. So for this, first we have to find prime numbers from 51 to 100. So first prime numbers, and then we can find twin prime numbers. So 51 is not a prime number because 51 is divisible by 3, 17, 51, 1. So it is not a prime number. 52 is not a prime number. 53 is a prime number. So onwards 53 to till this number we can write 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73 till 100 we have. So here 73, next 79, 83, 89 and 97. Already we have seen these numbers in example number 3. So from 53 onwards we can take this number. 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97 are prime numbers. Now we have to find twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers means the difference between two prime numbers is 2. So we have to find the difference between two prime numbers. 59 and 61. We can take these two numbers because difference between these two numbers is 2. 59 plus 2, 61. So first pair 59, 61. We can't take 53 and 59. Difference between this 53 and 59, that is 59 minus 53, that is 6. So it is not twin prime number. So we can take 59, 61, this pair. See 61 and 67. Difference is 6. So we can't take this pair. 67 and 71. Difference between these two numbers, that is 4. We can't take. See 71 and 73. Difference between these two prime number, that is 2. So we can take 71 and 73. Now see 73 and 79. Difference between these two prime numbers, that is 6 is there. So we can't take. 83 and 89. Difference between these two prime numbers, that is 6. So we can't take. 89 and 97. Difference between these two prime numbers, that is 8 is there. So we can't take these two numbers, two prime numbers. So here we got pair of twin prime numbers, that is 59, 61, and second pair 71 and 73. Now let us see example number 5. Write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. So for this, first we have to write prime numbers from 1 to 50 and then we can find 5 pairs of twin prime numbers. So let us find prime numbers from 1. 1 is not a prime number. So 2 is a prime number which is divisible by 1 and 2. 3 is prime number. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Till this number we can write prime numbers. These are the prime numbers because which is divisible by 1 and its safe number. Already we have seen these numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47 are prime numbers. Between 1 to 50. Now we have to find twin prime numbers. Therefore, twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers means difference between two prime numbers, that is 2. So 2 and 3, their difference is 1. So we can take 3 and 5. So here we can take pair 3, 5. Next 5 and 7, that is 7 minus 5, 2 difference is 2. So we can take 7 and 11, their difference is 4. We can take 11 and 13, difference is 2. 11 plus 2, 13. Next 13 and 17, 4 difference is 4. So we can take 17 and 19, difference is 2. Therefore we can take 19 and 23, that is difference is 4. We cannot take. Next 23 and 29, difference is 6 is there, so we cannot take. See 29 and 31, difference is 2, so we can take this pair. Next 31 and 37, difference is 6, so we cannot take. 37 and 41, difference is 4, we cannot take. 41 and 43, difference is 2, so we can take this pair. Difference is 2 is there. So 43 and 47, difference is 4, so we can now take this pair. So here we got twin prime numbers and its pair. 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31 and 41, 43. These are the pairs of twin prime numbers. Now next, example number 6. Which are the even prime number? And already we know that only 2 is the even prime number. So 2 is the only even prime number. So let us see next point of this lesson, HCF and LCM, in next video. And don't forget to write these examples in your notebook. Bye. Take care.